As a human being, I will tell you that I feel very sad. I feel very sad and I pity us, Nigerians. The government in power brought us into this mess, that economic hardship that we are in. We have been in this financial and economic crisis for the past 10 years. We have had the last 8 years of General Muhammadu Buhari. Nigerians have suffered the insecurity challenges that we had hoped to be brought to an end. We rather saw it increased, and it has multiplied now. The economic and food insecurity, it has multiplied. I'm a villager. I'm from the village. And whenever I go to my village, I cried. I could remember most of our household, most of our family in my village, they do cultivate what will sustain them for at least a year, or will take them to the next harvesting period. But presently, I can tell you, you hardly find family that have what to take them to even sustain them for 2 or 3 months after the harvesting period. Well, I can tell you, prior to 2015, the political dynamism that took place in between 2013, in fact, right from 2011, it was a political revolution. I was an elected local government chairman then. The kind of rascality displayed by the then so-called opposition, led by General Muhammadu Buhari under the CPC, which had turned now to merge and become APC, we don't pray for such kind of politics, because that time what happened was not politics. It wasn't democracy. It was an uprising. We thank God for the magnanimity of the then leaders. They tried to contain it. They tried to cushion it, because we had a very serious insecurity crisis in the country. Mosques were banned, churches were banned, military installations were banned, United Nations office, so many high-profile institutions were attacked. And then these same people who masterminded the revolution to take over power from the PDP then, they follow politicians to their houses, burning our houses, burning our properties, vehicles. People suffered a lot. As Nigerians, patriotic citizens, patriotic Nigerians, our leader, Mr. Peter Obi, and indeed the party, have offered to the government of Tinubu that he should seek for assistance. He should seek for the support of people in Nigeria who can guide him. Because we are concerned about the welfare and the well-being of the Nigerian people. I travel to Kaduna. I go by road, I go by train. The train, so-called train that you take, hardly will take you Kaduna without braking 2 or 3 times on the track before you get to Kaduna. Look at Kaduna Abuja road. It has taken more than 11 years. This road is not done. This is a major trunk road that link the entire north and south. Don't talk about the Birnungwali size. That one is even no-go area because it is a government on its own. The bandits have already established a government there. They were raining, taking taxes, doing everything. It is the government there. So you don't even fly that road. But this road, that is the last alternative for people from the south and the north to link goods and services to reach. Look at it. For good 8 years, nothing happened. So how can you talk about banditry? Just about 5 days ago in Kaduna, precisely in Kauru and Kajuru local government, bandits destroyed their community, killed people, kidnapped those that they can lay their hand on. How can we continue like this? Look at how prices of commodity are skyrocketing. And you tell me that the government is not aware of what is going on? No, don't tell me this. They know what is going on. But the only thing is maybe they don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. So if they don't know what to do, then they should call those who knows what to do and step aside. If they are on the throne to benefit the citizens of this country. Otherwise, unfortunately, we will not be like them who will call for revolution, who will call for all kind of crisis to happen. But we don't tell you. I want to tell you, honestly speaking, a hungry man is an angry man. And you can hardly stop someone who is being pursued by hunger and fear. The government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu should rise up to the expectation of Nigeria, not to their own expectation. They should wake up. And unfortunately, the people, those who have formed the government, very unfortunately, we know them. We know ourselves. We are Nigerians. Some of them are too corrupt to even care about what is even happening in this country. Some of the key people in the government. And we have started seeing it. The so-called palliative they are releasing. Why is it ending offered? Why is even the palliative? It has become superlative hardship. So we at Labour Party, we are willing to provide solution to how this economic crisis and the security crisis can be addressed. But if the government is willing to listen, if the government is willing to listen and to accept that yes, they have failed and they need people with wisdom and the knowledge and the patriotism to offer advice, we'll offer advice.